من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته. Dini nyasam pam na wani chitin ya biya titi yarla the program shan atan tahrana atanda kulu kamza sa pa ina ti jinti Rahma TV zuwani insha Allah intahna kata jiyan fa na zangen di yarla puparlam na tabandiri kobo be bandir shan atan dirka di beti jinel funi di dan fa na ma ni bansan shan atan tamal kwarle be ban shan dan pa yina na to tap sonti ka to kolbe yenga ka de liabon dir wutiti ka ta jihti iyale ka to zanle mbolore be zan bobti iyale to dinna mai to akunya to ale shaman ra ku shi ka ta fil program ma tra ko pu parlement to iyale hal te pana nta pon te pa ya pam yuno pu samana miti shamma trivio no bahmi shap shinkafa na be porne ne ba ta lokom ka te pa yi ba dongo kana shamma ta pa ya pam insha Allah tinya ka bandira pil bubu ta pupar boy ne bobora laare ni wala kare mbur katne tenen so piela go bobor la danda duruma do bara nyere nyor fen garo zo ba to ta pa ya pam de ko ko bien kar za zirma to ali tu zungo tenen katar pam kato bomba nti habako edin garla tra di fila jande Jacobo yara veritable production tra bijun du woni da bolé ngano bolé ti puparo ban kor jarjare kabita male de minde fonction adam ba nta akunun ka shaman shima anye kabba Jacobo goza ya kwai so dinna maza ta borne ni ti nyeri nisim ti yara de program woni yara ban sha ayen di bansim kar so anyu mon bor nanum kurina to nko be atoko bandir balshan atindir fila chongo karna fane ka depuis ha korsi ka bato dwale ka ba to ale yalla jarjar ko ma zungo dabsungo to bormaneti jili chopuni te borbu shani organic vegetables buba bitamale ka kwarle ale te karachi kuno organic manyela sheledin to kwaraka de bir ku kachi ton kwar shele karnya ka muabi afuni kayan ku mu kan ya sha pompe be benim hi boba be dor shaalung a je ko wopuni karjena spray organic madum wadin kala de bierku bo be jumone ntati pa ni zamba ka bo kagati yelti kati bang bumbun mo sha organic vegetable ndron kwarsham ndre dan fa ne bi hopuni din simsi ne ta bangle kapto son ta pam kamanto fiyasham to amele zongo dabslo tin lambor shamela to bor mutlan la zang le opportunity bagi Mr. Steven yala niveau songo tumbi Ghana Meteorological Agency Northern Region yala wona lehre de lahabayat ni data bibi bank sharan ben ka maltre government tuntunuba be ka maltre bi hakar nta fane nta production team abeni de bangbago kamino di fila kati obaha tanko non de le sham ko to bugo bo be sham ko to 2080 jande ti sama ito dimin on chapstema to
I'm with you.
Mr. Steven.
Nana, I'm with you.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Oh, great. It's been wonderful again having you on our program.
Yes,
Great. In fact, I think the whole place is completely dry now.
Yes. Not completely, you.
I see. Oh, that's wonderful.
Yes. Not completely. We can say completely at the upper west and upper east.
Okay.
But in the northern region, we are expecting formation of moisture.
Okay.
That will create rain clouds during the midweek up to the weekend.
Okay.
Yes. But we shouldn't expect much. Local formation might create a small rain, maybe 2 millimeters or so.
Okay.
Because there's a lot of moisture in the atmosphere now. Yes.
Okay. So we mean from now getting to the end of the weekend, there's likely that we'll get some small or slight rain.
From Wednesday going up to the weekend, we should be expecting something small.
Something small.
Something small, because we are almost to the end of the season.
Okay.
Yes.
That's so interesting because we're thinking that it's over now. We'll not even get even a drizzle or even a little drop of rain from the sky. And in fact, we should expect from Wednesday to the weekend that some.
Yes. No, but we shouldn't expect so much. It's something small because of the local formation.
Okay.
Yes, there's a little moisture. We are expecting some moisture in the atmosphere during the midday to the weekend.
Okay.
And that thing normally create rain clouds. And that gives rain. But local formation doesn't give much rain.
Okay.
Because it's local created. So
Okay.
something small.
Okay.
Yes.
So
But after that, then we are entering the season very well. You see, upper west and upper east, they are started experiencing it because the ITB is out of that place now, and it's now descending gradually. That is why you can see that the south is not experiencing much rain because the ITB is in the south now. So in the active zone as far as the northern region is concerned, is becoming less active.
Okay. So, Mr. Stephen, a quick one. We want to know if you say in the northern region now, we should expect there's still a little bit of moisture that will give us some small or slight rain. Where specifically do you think probably we should expect the rain? Which part of the region? Is it in Tamale? Which district specifically? Should they, where the probability will be high for us to get that expectation? I want to just get that clear. Maybe it might not happen.
It is not. It is Savannah and the northern region.
Savannah and the northern region, right?
Small.
Okay.
But the upper west and upper east, they are out of the system now. But
Okay.
you see, we have entered the season, but because of the moisture that we are expecting, during the weekend, during the midday to the weekend, that's why this moisture normally creates rain clouds, and
Okay.
that is why we are going to have a small rain midweek and the weekend.
Okay. So with Tamale, it is possible that the rain will get the rain in Tamale, right?
It's possible we can get, but it's isolated. Isolated means part of Tamale will be having, and then other part it may rain in Gumani, and maybe Tamale itself will never experience any rain.
Okay.
Because it's isolated cases.
That's okay.
Yes.
So, in fact, as usual, we are so grateful for the education and the support you are giving us on our program. Hopefully, we will also try and get in touch with you for you to give us the outlook of the Hamatan or the end of the rainy season. What is next? What do we expect? How is it going to look like for the atmosphere and how will it affect livelihood? Maybe we'll also reach out to you for that. But today we are so grateful for the update you've given us. Thank you so much.
Okay, you are welcome at any time.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay.
All right.
You are welcome.
Great.
Bye.
Bye. Okay. Thank you. Yarlesham. Ti Mr. Stephen, when you niveau so on to the three ti Ghana me logical against ma. The bohomi. Yebon pon yer mala manku magola ji yer mala po sama zom ka chetma yega che lo kan kuya. Mpo ba hala dwel so shanga donga po ma. Do mamba sala ntwa ko ni no na buzuza ni nyala kan bolga de men wa pulonguna bankula ni sa sama ko zola completely ka chawa. Na ma Tamale betu northern region ya alai zangbat min savannah zabai alon nirin to nun kazan can Allah ba min Allah mi san can asro Allah har susuni laro yin ko ti ni billi hirim kar malla kaman mahal shalbiyala sabana mani kanon to nun kar lazan nun sa amma on prosha man kasa tamsil ko nyala ka mabi yuxsaw be sa solo ko dukuto kasa mir tamsil nyale na ban lihir shamba majina manan bala mahal shabe zuksa kar nyala kama dun tolu la can asro bi Allah be Allah mi sha zumba zan can la yaqma nere de biane ama de pa sa donc ko mi ni Muhammad mahage tan bane na din ka bana lihir nyara kat ko yoro de nguna donc ko bian nyala dan nan ka wuni juma dinan da bayitin lambu ko yalti wunu ma yalla wunu weda din yan beti shop kat to mal shili to ban na mashin ka fana ta yi ka atele banka mi din ya po sha din yanji ka ban de beto dam di hago to zan ba di afana so to pa pam to ti zo da so ngo mpon yalle etendi la fila nyande organic vegetable production to ni chance to in male sanga na nearby ko be duwone ka to bone ti di afana ba sane di tu be la ba abana to call na ka to party abana Michel za nyande tin di topic shall ma be amal park na party ni chance to ban be duwone ma ka exemple bon wote puis go madame good evening.
Good evening.
You're welcome to our studios.
Thank you.
Great. It's been wonderful having you here.
Thank you.
Okay. So, madam, can you introduce yourself to us so that we'll know who you are and where you are coming from and what you work for? Thank you.
My name is Langwon Esther.
Okay.
I'm into organic vegetable farming
Okay.
throughout the season.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Okay. So, madam, what is the name of your farm? Let's find out so that we will know exactly what you do in your farm. Okay.
My farm name is Organic Grammar Gardens.
Okay.
Yeah.
Grandma Organic Garden.
Yeah,
And
Grammar
it's located where can we find
It's
it?
located at Samerbukuku,
Sanare
in between Palisade Cemetery and the Samerbu Dam.
Okay.
Yes.
Very good. Thank you. So I'll pause here and there. Nta alenti jumone timbal madam tinda yare organic vegetable jarjar kopshel ba biene ka de biero konko nta zapal nya karna chwatna kate te borne ne wapi because apple ve ko no yina to ocean la dana madana mala la fiti te pam nta madam yarna madam madam Esther nyala le so ko la jarjar ma o wote no ofuma bela yarna palsi tipo ali yango karabe di to bela tin ko zam o wote on ko le sham ne ti to bo mo san ka to di afana pam lamba so du mo po ka de bonno dalata na jini be yaga anora kawala ya dawai ne ka office be wa to akuza ma wote ka ta ba Abdurrahman Amidu okay kayina yepolo
Agri-Seed Kantunda
Agri-Seed.
Tamale branch.
Very good. So the paya pam Mr. Abdurrahman Amidu onyera mutu the Agri-Seed company Agri-Seed manyera ni shaban tabro son le jekoroma ban terbala bambrama yalla organic vegetables mi bako edin kana tradifia jende jekopo ban malla brama to ko hare terba kanire bani za jende de kopul ka bandle to dinka Mr. Amidu Abdurrahman woni nyang niveau so won zanti te bon ko pour bol Agri-Seed de mal de branches kar be Ankara ni de bobar ko ben tamal branch ma won sulu ka lehirle to te pa pam to madam can you tell us what when we say organic vegetables what does it mean? How different is it from the normal vegetables that we know?
When we talk of organic vegetables,
Okay.
It has to do with the olden days.
Okay.
The olden days they used to have this manure, the cow dung,
Okay.
fowl dropping.
Okay.
If you have this boiler, you throw away the stuff we have been doing in the boiler.
Okay.
It becomes dark.
Okay.
So you can use those ones and spread your farm
Okay.
or your garden.
Okay.
We don't use fertilizer.
Oh, you don't use fertilizer?
Yes, we don't use fertilizer. We use only manure. We call it manure.
Manure.
Yes, you can use cow dung,
Okay.
fowl dropping,
Okay.
sheep dropping.
And the likes.
Yes.
So that is how you produce for your farm.
Yes.
You don't use fertilizer.
We
The
don't use chemicals.
You
We
use
use only the organic, the manure.
okay.
We call it manure. Yes.
Oh, that's so great. So what do you produce there? What are the type of vegetables that you produce, or what are some of the food crops, organic food that you produce in your farm? Can you let us know about them?
For now, I have cherries, tomatoes. We have basil. We call it basil leaf.
Okay.
The Ashantis call akokobesa.
Okay.
I have mint.
Okay.
I have green tea, Lipia alba.
Okay.
Then I have kontomire.
Those things.
Yes.
Okay. That's
I have turmeric.
turmeric.
It's like ginger, but that one is yellowish.
Yellowish.
Yes.
That's good.
And I have kelly. It's like that's the lettuce family.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, that's great. So that is it. Let me translate before we go to Madame Dagwanlama Dibi. So the check out the lapsang Dagwanlama to Ale Nebu Yebu Okwa, Ogarsama Puni, the Wurne Binyala organic ma, ko Yarani, o Kalbandir Shan Kwa, o Puma Puni, don't ko Kalma, o Malchan, Tarito be a teacher ko Yiri Shan, wo take at a bank organic Yarman Bishop, but don't quasham, to year the Bishop, o Kale, o Kasano to Mary. Just we are putting the Shaman Dagwan. La pala nyɛ karikɛti ka na bɔhandiri kɔm karimbala faana pam ti bɛhu o ti tu chaŋtooni o yihili ka wuhiti di anfaani la shɛŋɔ kɔrima n'o ka shɛŋa maa zaha di danfaani ti ma daa laafee nyɛ shɛm tɔ ka shɛli chɛri ka bɔli di bɛm ka kamantoosi la ka naan ti shɛŋa bɛni di bɛ ka ka do ka bɛ ka le bɛ di konko ka ti turmeric nima ti laasabu nyɛla ka di vari maa mali anfaani pam hal ban ku niŋdi ban maani Dagban tima mini ban ku niŋdi ti sabila la bɛ to chɛri bɛ gari shɛli maani n to yihi laabiyɛri because di nyɛ organic ma bɛ bi bahiri fertilizer niŋ dinni bee bɛ sprayerli di ku nyɛla natural bɛ yɛn bahi binshaɣu na abin bina kabini zaŋ bahili so di kɔbi biɛri kunku so a lihi gba pumpɔŋɔ biɛhigu puni n yɛrila ti kparilim yaɣ shɛli din kpaŋsiri ti moshi agroecology la bɛ to kpaŋsiri bindiri shɛŋa a yɛn ku ka di bi spray be ka abin zan chemical spray ka kwa da biyar kun kuwa ta can silmin ta sifin fulon ban yale an yi kawo male organic vegetables da dani biya ki stock kun biyan wayar lon wani da organic kan mal la arfan because the kwabo the no easy the boss hapa ko abo sprayra da kunya natural bin yara da bi sa'an da tan ban ma ban jirma man ba abai zan bin yara bin yawa bai tabla ka spray ba da kan dia na go haka ya mati dan kan madam yarwa illa misa Abdurrahman san. Mr. Rahman.
Yes, sir.
Madame Yelti organic ma. Mi di tabli organic mi yarama pambeni. Yini to hal ndaw ko fa sa manda der pambeni jil kala tamale. Ka wata bang di yala hal to pilu ko ma. Ter bonna ayati I complètement yalla jerja ko ma I sont simle yesham danti tamale demi ba ko bin kan nasane dira fane. Wala kito song ba ka butri da fani agreseed company
agreseed tamala patwa
okay
kan ko be yarga gana za hanta tin yarwa tamala about branch ma kama banin dubani ko Ghana.
Wow.
So currently, just to reveal a secret, to want to you work.
Okay.
Ka prospect yendi
bazaar
very soon but to no kana
okay
but Mandai ba
okay
yeah Mandai ni man product male
okay very good
so agreseed take over kwarme
okay
ka though is a limited nyala bobola New York bobola
okay
ama te tuma ya York konko bobo
okay
so tin yarma any company kambante nye agric tuntum brawa
okay
the sunsun ban male nirba sham bit mala nirma sai ban ni mo ne kap kanawa
very good
they are mala sales agent
okay
after sales agent ma kama technical officer be developer
okay
lala nirwe yimo sales agent ma is just a direct translation. One uncle in charge of records ma by harmony and acquisition pricing by harmony. To technical department ma me be developers ma one kama na tumbisham tumalba across branches ma zaha branch kama kuto chanka ka technical officer be developer.
Okay.
One young buyer I chana ka sales agent ma kwata ai bomi da tuma ka gara index polo kaman gwate ka turu so to kana nye ka kwarka kumba ka mbona mbandu bansi be cabbage ka mbona da mbandu bansi
okay
to mi yan $1 ngo kaya mpili alkati katinga binjergo ka nyego todi na ba da lafi pul ayan kwal kama madam ni yayi
okay
organic katilan ma conventional system of production
okay
organic ma ayan ko binjirgu shal kam kare ka simi tabibi himo kama chemical bane timatima spraying lala chemicals ni mazaha tadi mahalle biyan chedin ne
okay
tin yarma akuto ku budizaha kama te ko yana so ne tojin ka ne anto ko kun ka bu use la ban ya
ma spray
tin malla content shading yampa kama consider as conventional kama the organic kama content shell ayan use ka de ohni de bere de nyara organic ama anzan le switch version shelma de bo ka darpa mami de ba malalwa
okay
chemicals ma be tima martins and spray ma de malalwa de to pass actually la lo ama ya njime so ni pupar mo yami be tinu bambu tin yanwa musa ka yan spray kabla spray be musa ka yan ba kabla bai tutumanya le katizana ndwala anya anishan baya timama shan agwa biane karkunya ya oku malame karkunya dala lo biyarma kadine kunya ti bunyi har ka bazan an la'am nale mala lafi titi kalanto mal ala fi ti bunyi ma shalban bitin banne san barsi bumbo ma bambana be sambana ma ka buba
da
chuba ka buba be ni ma kan nera amfani ka baza di amfani kama ka ayan zan cement ma spray ka ku ba nyabi amna yin be sha to lati ma gwa be ka ya yusi to tin yan zan adol da sore ka ban to dale yusi ka nyala fi ka tamaga nyala fi ka bin yawa shabban bai tambani ma an cika vurun to biya tambana ka ba malala
lafi
sa din ka gono
organic isa abu sun ma kuma la kaman organic ma di ba bindir ma ko har tin ban shara kwarma da bai mai
shara kwarma da bai mai cuta ban ne bi shabban bai tambani kayan cika bindir ma malala fi ka bin ne bil kam jaya ka to korete banu kabin ne bil kam mutun to kura a garce puni
okay kare bozo
fine te cheka to ko sambargo katalate salade sambargo ngur salade
don tuna ku
o chalatin bane
okay
o nchamu o voya ko no barowi o chanme ka girbo ala chana agbaya on girbo al chenma sambar wi chena amin nyamar bala be wulan bala de
o chanu ka jelle
ka yur tan ma chena da saban wuli to pat ni mani de chena ya sole
njeriyo
chera be yu kalantun o on chenka min chwa shel doloma yang wulgemi kitan balmani ka ban nebulma ai ban tima wulma ne chen manma ka ba furle malala fitte
masha Allah to rin cheka wune ka ban ne maza ka kura da mi cheka bani commercial anan to ku ka ban laban ne ma za ba tuma da organic
to dan ka tun organic
ni an kalle
ai chan madam garden ne ai ku proper organic I tum deep yala after drink pa 5 centimeters ka nebula
okay because
Kan ya san ba.
Australia
Ba zabiya ni mani. Indira kama dan yara amfani be ka dila ma ban yara amfani ka. Tiwula ma ban yara amfani.
tuma wa yana fani
Ama I am bi pahambano ayati chief so puni. Kato nzankuli bi ben ku bio bed. Kuza wanu ku kurgi. Mpa 5-10 centimeters kam nye sambargo be ka nye shaw bana conventional production bala saha o yusema
timako yusura
ma o yusema
okusambar smaza
ameti twi kabi akuza anu ku kurbe mpa 5-10 centimeters kanye banye bla de saha on dola organic
denen ka ime bangde
so that is
what
one
is organic ka bo spray yere bin yara no ku kwa kar
o fuma no ka panso
fuma na
so
Antoniele
that's one strategy ayan zam
so ora o shipija shana gwa tra ma maybe you know they to chat
zama
on kwasha
merka ku binne bla kad zaha ma ku yele kad zaha tuna ku
kadza
shana mala lafi tinyini kama lafi ti bandira ma baza
okay oh very good thank you so much oh Mr. Amidu ta at ni sin pam do nyande nyara ma shaka bo share organic ma do welcome some ta ti dole okay to tinye on welcome sham ni organic ma do kobiere ko kachi tun ko kwarjer sham to dai fila ka me dir chama tan bo share organic vitawo kar ku nyara kaman kop share din kan na concert da banandra korba dirgu sham kar nyala besoin de fertilizer chemical fertilizer yalla ammonia shata yusa do baharle because din kam isa amiri yalla den ma pam yalla don kurti tam fertilizer yalla chemical azan afuni do kurtam wonen ni jar ka to korma den wona ka pam kar kwar so hirsina nza na to zan organic production ma de zelsi be de tamalsi to kwara ba de yalla de ma la fita ni mamma ni atamma fu ni encore seulement de kurbu nimbi ne digulma ba ayen non be dirshela ba karama la fi ve gata because ni chemicals fi ni ele malwa ka lo ma pam ne de yip to pam to dum kati o kahati ntati tiben tin chanti vo kom ti lamna ni cheka madam yelti o gatuna ko on ko organi beta basma de dafa ni sha ko cheka to dir dafa yenya de ho on ko sha voulez afana de ne pierre la bu de chaton forma da ti mamanda la fi on yeltri ni shamza to ti chanta ko kalamna ka to to programa baya
rahmatif bendo
salo ban nan ka tare ka wumde man zaɣ bulunziya en paso present service de zaŋ mazal ne yalla la yetoɣalma yan su salo de dagban be ban be gana har ban be tentuya ban nan zaɣsam na rahma tv dome ya mangle kam manan sabban be ka presence sabban zaŋ ti rahma tv ne ba kana nti bolala nin ne sem kaman ba shanga ba ma zaŋ ti salo ban be samban salo ma zo ki nan ma so amala kobla simsene atoti gano karpagi rahma tv ban nan shalon ma ka to nan garla do ma tere porla ama to mi social media nan kana on ta darga so ko zuma da arziki ay lehe minti shangatin yusu ma ayam madla sabab ne gana prison service yo nta hatan pa yu mun kam zo yan suhla be samban nta pa han taba banya prison officers be samban ne kanye dagbang bulchin ma be ba dogbala yon kapto nan katamti ye to ma wombo ayi wom nyin tok sentin won na ba wom mbutu no de fa intane dagbal ma ka tok so amfana shele rahma tv ne jere karna do me de kana rahma tv so kurbiya nan ko pa yum pe na ba ka ba min dan sarka pune mal yi to mo sara be to shanga yin de be amfana shele din kana kar zanti saloma ka ba min la ye to so yan su la salo banan zak sabna rahma tv ka to pangla ma ba ga la kawle ba juba na wone a son sim to chen halde kulin yala wula nyala 50 series balba nya ba de sabla.
Thank you. To te pa pam ti chante vous comme kalamna ancha bangzal ni rahma tv zone ti yara programme ane ko bagay ti bunu shale pour parler de l'outil programme là par bi rahma tv zone atani kurgani yaay kurgani zone ka tahlana to zone da suno ti dire la fila ngendi jarjar ko te boole shell organic vegetables to ka de te pon ka gale bambe meldi ba ko be jumo madame Esther be jumo mi samidu from agri-seed madame grandma organic vegetable umala madame Esther mala organic farm ma kare be onyon kwarle kare be ti pole nyanwa ha kanye misa amidumi munyon kware la nja jarjar ko ma do yerama de brama pam to terba to mi be jumone terpon de fila pam be kagati organic ma de dan fa ni sha to potom bor mi la mbon la madame san yera madame Esther kuto nous anticiper on tu garcha ma puni ni on ko yer sha nja tumbu de dan fa ma at bande ni shamza hani tumbu ni organic ma. So madam, thank you so much. We are back again. Like I mentioned, I said now what I want us to know is that the organic products, I mean the organic food crops that you produce in your garden, can you take us through to understand the different crops that you produce and the importance? What are the importance of those vegetables? Okay.
Okay. So these are samples of what I have. This turmeric.
This turmeric.
Turmeric,
Okay.
Yes. That's the
it look
ginger
like
from,
ginger.
yes, it looks like ginger.
So
But
you can raise that for the camera. This is how it look like. So this one, it look like ginger, but it's not ginger, right?
Yes, it's not ginger.
So how in terms of medicinal benefits?
Yes, it's good for people who have sugar problem.
Sugar
It
problem.
reduces the sugar level. Diabetes patient mostly is very good for people with diabetes.
Okay.
Yeah, you can boil it. You can just wash it neatly, and if you want, you can pound it small, or you cut it into pieces,
Okay.
and you boil it for maybe 5 minutes.
Okay.
And
So
you
this
drink
one
it.
is free from any pesticides or any
Yes.
fertilizer. It is just pure from the farm. And what again?
They'll have mint.
Mint.
Yes, mint tea.
Mint tea. You pick it and
Yes.
show for us to see you on the camera. Maybe you can show it to the camera.
Yes.
They want to see.
So this mint tea is a tea.
Okay.
So this one you boil water and just pour in your cup
Okay.
like this quantity, and you put inside the cup and cover it 5 minutes or 10 minutes,
Okay.
and you are good to go.
Okay.
You can add sugar if you want. If you don't want, you don't add sugar.
So all these are from they are from the farm.
Yeah, from my farm.
Oh, great. That's and I've
Yes.
seen
And this
that.
way to reduce a lot of stress and give you like it allow you to sleep well when you take it in the night. Yes.
Okay. Look at and what about this one? I've seen those things. Maybe you
Yes,
can show
yes.
it to us. Let me pick it and give it to you. It look like tomatoes.
This one is cherished tomatoes.
You raise it up for you. Cherry
Cherished
tomato.
tomatoes.
That's the tomato family.
Yes, that's the tomato. It's just normal tomatoes, but this one is called cherished tomatoes. It's very beneficial for men with prostate cancer. Mostly men with it fights all type of cancers,
Okay.
including it reduces blood pressure too. If you have BP and you are taking at least first thing in the morning, take about 2 or 3.
Okay.
You chew it raw. You don't cook it. This one you chew it raw.
Okay.
And you're at least 3 in an empty stomach.
Turmeric.
Well, yes, in an empty stomach.
Okay.
It fights all type of cancer, including prostate cancer in men.
Okay.
Yes, that's the use of.
Oh, great. Thank you. So let me just do the translation. Ali madame ne ka sham titama. O yelti beni shan on ko garche ma funi ka yata da fan ma. Ali pigo o fun kalti shan o goshe le turmeric. Ta da mo de mo la ka ka. Kan bana fa na pam. Tun ko ti o yare ngona mazaha. On ko le hali o spray be shot and fertilizer go barle. So den ma ko yare de da fan ni shalma. Akwarle afuni de pala kam anto kwarle ba de wazaka de mala afana izanti adala fipam kana jishale obolo ni cherry kama to sila sabanya de be ko kama to sila de mi yale de biere konko kare ya wona maza akwarle ne yala ba shadan to sonde judele ba mal judele to adin yala de sonde pam because the spray ra o ko kwal mu garcha afuni natural so aborna abuam ntia timbo shalo kan la dis dulun ku ba bene de gwa nyala be shaw don son de pam tar ku nyala kama tim yare jarjar kwabo be irila atu mal apu ka to korla bin yarama de bansan bene ban ko na ba bene ka anto dolle ka di afana pam ba to ko la karna afana ka ku yare shaw ba halu kana ugar chama ta darne de pala kaman akon ko mo na shapkanna de ba ku yare dabil man to ko da non dabil ta ka tu bana afana ta de zanya da afana shatin diri jarjar ko kana je bene shel bene de bem ka ti la salo kanya ne dine ka minti kar kunyala kama de son la kama ere bi hawo pour kama like dine ka abuto diralu stress biya ka tuntu maka karuma de ganyala ba shon kwano garchama pour kar kama natural o besoin de chasse payé kama ka bas payé dinyala ba shano kunyala kwarlam street ne bam bina konku ka ya na ka kama misa hamid den kunyala aju garchama pour ne simsina to nya kama azan no ko tuna tu sambarga bika to nye irin bambi tumban gorganda bogon nye bisha bambal danfani. Madam, look at this one look like guava.
That's passion fruit.
Passion fruit.
That's the one they used to produce this drink. Is it?
Passion drink.
Yes, they used to prepare this Don Simon. Is it Don Simon?
Okay.
Yes, that's the one they used to prepare Don Simon.
And this one is also from your garden.
It's from my garden.
Oh, great.
So this one
that means
you
they
can
come to your garden to buy
yes, but they don't proceed it. But this one you can cut, open it, and put inside water and drink.
I see.
Yes, it's called passion fruit.
Passion fruit.
So they taste everything. The scent is just Don Simon. That's the one they used to prepare that the fruit juice called Don Simon.
Don Simon. I see.
Yes.
So you can put. You are just having Don Simon in your garden.
Yes.
You natural Don Simon.
Natural Don Simon.
Wow, I didn't know that.
Yes, when they put inside water, everything will turn, the color will turn yellow, and they taste everything. It's just a Don Simon.
Passion fruit.
Passion fruit, yes.
Great.
So some of them we heard of.
Okay. Look at this one too. This one I think is familiar.
This one is mushrooms.
Mushrooms.
It's good for those who don't, vegetarians. Those who don't take meat.
Okay.
It's just meat without oil.
Okay.
This one is meat without oil.
Okay.
So you can use it for your light soup, palm nut soup, groundnut soup.
Okay.
You can add it to your okra stew if you want, and you just get the benefit of meat. But this one, there's no oil in it. So people who are vegetarians, they are good to go with this one.
Oh, that's great.
And those who are fighting cholesterol.
Cholesterol.
Yes.
You can consume the mushroom.
It's just like meat. But this one, no oil in it. It's just.
Okay.
So I have this one too in my garden.
Wow.
Yeah.
Let me explain this and we'll go to the last part. Sorry. So, nta akule te tinku near in the general organic. Tumbo organic. Na dunto kwa gasha kuma. Dunka madam kakama. Nta ozala wo feel passion fruit. Nta taban anuli Don Simon. No ma dunka man Don Simon ma. O garcha apun ko kwale. Na inde ku kwale ka yu le zanna. Nun compagnie nen ko na zara. Dozim ka no ko be shama. Ka ko nyurle ba ko to wala de Don Simon. Karza bien kara do kwara abon na bo handi to za bien karmala la fi pam din do shikro bien biara do kunya ka tima wala ma ka ko no sa din ka bin non ka ensemble nzam processi Don Simon kanon preservative pa kar ko sa andama ama moro kunya natural karbanye mi sha auto bon shot organic bindira ma bala de ma la fi ti nya biya pam be ti da la fi pam wala shawu manta mushroom manta dagwala te bon la maliao alira te enju chapto tam son de te passe ka kwala pam ko ya de nyala shao de mala la fi famta te buru shere mushroom la de nambala karkanyo la kaman de te buru shere vegetarian shabben kana banna ma puni ka ruhu kaman o maamad o ngoro namde de ko nyala kaman o pit shelto ma banna ma to yule karnya ka shele ne ya bandir shel num shele den kapam ko shabben pam ko dojira o jipam no pam anya la shal partu cheka a cholesterol droit so na diri maliao den ma za da fa nyala kaman pam karane natural bandiru nyal inta num dini anti ala fi shalanan banne maliao ma nyala ma shadan tarle de bako nyala namde ka lenye kama ben bon kwara namde mbala ka to bien po bo ali tamal po de maldapam madam korle kwarle chaque fois man dada ba chambane ba chaque kuto kwarle de mun comment tiji ndal ba pour pas que na pon ka chaque kwar en tout kwara organic bunjira ma shambala agarcha po de bin shambala to madam the last batch this one what is it
Kel.
is kel.
It's kel.
You look at it.
It's like lettuce, but this one is hard than lettuce.
Okay.
So you can use it for your soup, any type of stew. You can use it as salad.
Okay.
It's just the lettuce family, but this one is hard than lettuce.
It's hard.
Yes, it's hard. Yes, but so this one you can use it for stew, soup, okra stew.
Okay.
Unlike the lettuce, that one is meant for only salad.
Okay.
But this one is multi-purpose.
But multi-purpose.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So this one, oh, this one is just like soya.
Yes, this one is.
Hey, you want that soya?
This one is oyster. It's seafood. This one they are brought for the Adan, Volta region. It's seafood.
This oyster.
Yes, we ordered them from Adan.
Okay.
It's from the sea. That one.
Okay.
This one too. There's no oil in it too.
There's no oil in it.
Yes, even somebody who is a vegetarian is not too strict can also use it.
I see.
Yes. It's called oyster.
That's the oyster.
It's full of calcium.
Okay.
Yes, it has a lot of calcium.
So, Ali, madame, les gens, was on that one lived in Kelly, or William the Kelly, the Biamuka, do you know about
cabbage family.
Cabbage family, Mambela. Ali, the Mala salad, Cabia Coco, the Camara Lafi from Titipam. Mamaza, do Kukoma, but I was paid in it, was paid by Sharp natural. About now, call it Bazaar, and to call a Garchapui, the Tomala Lafi in Tapam. Mwa wenye na besha oyster nta de biamuka bella bang bahrazama kwam de ka bahaba ko numa ma anyere gari
Bon sab. So the bon sab.
bon sable na le lanta na kwam ko ka kwam ko chimle de mama ko ma natural kwam anto zan chimle ka de ma la fi pamti an bra so dizanya la ka anto bam bandir bu kopulu kara na la fi pamta abla nta dinka madam display ndete very well kati to nyere bishop te pa ya pam ta madam products ma ni tin dia fa ne shara tin la misa mi o zon na madam de yula ba dana ka ku tuka jiyo ka jali ti tiro ba zo bandi sha da mara la fin ta sha ga na jinyare zon ka nye ga madam zan wuka de ma de no nyasan pam to amili recommend to pun yare i company ma agri-seed company nta o yamari be yasha onko kwarma de pam yela be shaw ben yela isane isana i company ma to tabason de bakapto o bank de champ be wora o miriya yin zambu ko banka to kwarle kanda bona party zanjende de danfana polo ni soy borle no to nkolu garcha puni de baza wala ko en to no la ndi dafa
to ayi yarman ba ko yan pahla bdela
okay
aya no ma kale ma de man la kama cabbage family nyere ami bombra kama tamal kawanji kawan piale shepolo kawan shanga dan mane wakabuni brown
yala peyo
to kawan sabla gwa bien ni ya
kwa sabla
gwa bien de Africa pi to la lan kunyi be ya ngoma ba mami na on nan la je varbe de yala kat to asir pi kadu ba ko manta ba ka anto ni je var benu katu mal ba pala kama different types.
Okay.
I will meal.
Okay.
To cabbage type umbala.
Yeah.
But kada malay lettuce mahalle.
Kada big salad la
so the bukulinda. Rasta lala. Tisa la. Ka ayusele. Cabbage no kwanta mfani she de kwanta mfani. Ama tatamada na bishama. de ku shi mene ngoma de yan kwar ma par cabbage zo ka kwar par salad zo
okay
cabbage ti kane ki yeggo hangoma salad ti kane ki yeggo hangoma tele bi am male problem ani kana on bangarte
zanya
na on kunna la ban shafa kan nan afwatiti
zanya
to cabbage mala calcium level bela cabbage ni very high
da
very very good
This one have
so
calcium.
calcium manye kama
There's a lot of calcium.
ban sha kam din ya kamshi shel din ya pansu kobani kama to vein ka zan da dirbiya
okay
bi ma yanzu vein ka koba ma ka da malal ko to developing to bave yala to
okay
cabbage aizan cabbage anto dobra anto do stew
okay
abaya amina to use it as garnish tamara bashaka to go garnishing
okay
garnishing mani ka gabda mini albasa
Green pepper.
mbono mabena ko gable nza ma no pa a shinkafa zo
okay
ka ngura ka dira shinkafa ma tan ka to go garnishing
garnish ma
so ayan charla ma gab ya shan na
okay
ka to ne
okay
island kana la passion fruit ma on yelma kama bi yan zaman don simon ma don simon ma bi no la nage bi an zala batibol mu additive kama an yelma to zan kala an fada ne bi kabin si cirbela anan danne bi kabin flavor oh madam
Yeah, flavor.
fada ne so da ko yan cika bi ka zan bai shafa kalbiyan cika da to kama da kuto yugi ka sam preservatives balama so this zama di pahe di an cin ka di natural din tune din male amfani shelma da biyan malala
amfani ma ko zama yara gabden
ne zama yara gabden ne din mala ma da biyan be kama ay ku chantu ku bangoma ku blend ne ka yi ko mama
passion fruit
man you didn't mala amfani
okay
tomatoes no ma tunda anya be timalla shanga porpor garngoma
yeah
very small tida malam de kunyala wal crop nyale biyan wa crop de to ku bilshe polo kam hala bi spray de kuyan
walme
to anto ku wumsi tomato so kare dumpa banwozo ka ku wani chana kare do ama ku du halatu walmpa
okay
maga akwai pon haka wuntu du ay ku bahal ko de ko wani chana
ko wani to yanzu da amfani ka
so denye tomato zaha mala kula ka tubole
There's a name for it.
There's a term for it. Kada mala lala amfani ma ay deep tomatoes to chem ka vitamins
okay
ada lafi polo
nguna yawo yar bora
ne ya cheka do to cha so bien wal kun non bela doro en cho kun bia doro en cho I told you can to deep tomatoes especially one ma the yellow coloration ma
okay
de ba konko mala amfani shele
okay
ay dirle la vitamins
kaman calcium la sa apule ma calcium
so to look te kuranu mo to mala ama tipo mil da amfani te to konko ma bai mo ma ta mala kat bol te company mane tomato Celsius
okay
hybrid in yellow
okay
to bol Celsius
okay
so kamale de za mo za jahma
za bien kace za yelo ma
so this zana de amfana
inshallah to zan kana multi lines mo ba to ta pa pam anna kucha bangza rama tv ka dot program ma pompo to yula te line ma ba abona koli party bi amal bo na bati ti topic shatin di zo ma de yala organic vegetable production yalla ti yalla jerjer kop shele de bier ko ka ci tin ku kware shella dembe de yala kop shele din pensa tin ban da lafiye Mit mamang bada la fi pam because do sprayera do no fertilizer do kunya natural ka yan kwal karmal de ba ko no kwasha den kat di fila male Mr. Abdulhamid from Agri-Seed Kanachi, Madam Esther from Grandma Organic Farms, Banin Son de Magatete de Fila. Anto Bolna, Ahmed Pagu Shelby, Bokshina Botikatija. To Mr.
Maliama, Maliao, according to research, Maliao has a very high the Mala protein level. Maliao, the Mala high protein level. When you have protein level, man. Namdolo kwanta amfani shele katika ato anunguno to nabrve yala nam ngoma mariyaba ngar namde to ben yane veg ma so biane kama tombile ni wonku je namdo nyom zahan yale mbo yale ku je nyom ngoma antuna ayusra ngoma di kubi kanale non ma kuni de gel pas
to janna ina ko boy wala mbor ma ko di pam salam alaikum Mr. Abdul Nasser Abab Nasser
wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh donc nan de c'est
to ouais te parle comme na kolma amal bo ko be pa una party
yes umare mbago ma yene ndum ya dam ko ta yenyo ba ndo bo ni tare pe kaman de yo nan de so kaman ko man yare on ma don shaka ma dengan jalan but ndo bo na ko yare kaman de da ti ni ya shele man ne bala
de da
ba shele and then like if profitability productivity kaman on yare don shaka ma za kaman de kwabo yare because they could have matter ni ambala man ko bo na kaman
very good. It's a very important question. Okay.
So by Jenandi, Bodim Goma, Anto Delica, the Cougar, Ama, the Bama Ladi Sochiba, I am dwelling on Komale Asham, Kamale account cover Jira, I tell Male Ashale, Aku. The anchi. Very poisonous. Sanabian Bahal Zoba Pototi.
Lala Shamu to Buru.
Uncle Chana, tea, good try it. Oh, best. Catching the malad swelling.
Charge the Darajibo.
The quality to go on spawns, my am dynamic. The Malayan nation. Madame Biano, Hale, I can have to
Wahadum Kwasha.
Kariba Maldiswane. Amatama, Tenabo Milli. The demand is a movie. Amatiti Milli.
Okay. So, madam, let me pick this call. I'll come back to you. Somebody just asked that he want. What are the economic benefits in terms of agribusiness?
Okay.
This one is for production, largely for consumption.
Okay.
But he wants to know, how do you make money out of this? If you want to go into that.
Okay.
But before that, let me pick this call. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullah. Ana mula.
Na mamina tijera.
Na. An ba mun kwanya ni ba ma na mulu ban shanga ma o yele kuma to sila za abitila dan to blood pressure plus cancer ma mi o ni en dulu san ya ni mudale.
Very good. So, Tepaya Pampu, actually, so, Chankuzan Muhammad, Tepaya, Madam, I wanted to answer that question, and somebody, the caller, who just hung up there, where do we, they want to know where to get you. He's interested in the cherry tomatoes, and even the economic benefit of doing this kind of organic vegetables.
Okay. This one, apart from the money, even in the house, that's what we are eating.
Okay.
So mostly when they come to the office for any medical checkup, me like this, because I take things like this, they will just ask me to go. I don't have cholesterol.
You don't have
any heart disease, those kind of things. Yes, apart from the economic benefit for the family, that's what we use every day.
Okay.
Yes.
So do you sell some of them? Do they come to buy?
Yes, I sell. I have my customers, so I put them on my WhatsApp pages. Yes, so I put them if it is in abundance. So I just put them on my WhatsApp page. Those who are interested, they will give me their list. Then I'll deliver to wherever they are. So if only you are in Tamale, wherever you are, you just give me your direction. Then I'll bring it to your doorstep for you.
Okay. Before we leave, we'll take your number in. Somebody is they want to reach out to you. Thank you. Let me pick this caller. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam. Dr.
Anola.
Na Kashima Biola.
The sona you call.
Alhamdulillah. To do the program marathon.
To wapa pamindu alishama.
Inshallah. Lala Broma Marina, Lankamos for the one lambere.
Oh.
La Bashon over the Piala, Marambala, don't take a most good.
Where are Bolema?
So that the Fiat Tom.
The Vietnambo.
The one la Quanya, my way in Parliament background by the champion. La way the Vietnam, the calculation number of Alafi.
Carton number Alafi.
Inshallah.
Very good. Okay, so maybe before we end this program, Madam, I will let you share your number for those who are interested in that. Ms. Amin, how do you get fan Masha Akati?
So I usually mint mama.
A mint.
Mint balance. And stress or stress relief.
Yes.
Kama tisha bantu tu chama. Pam. Aiku the car coffee. Kama ai sobiani oiku UT shale hale lifting ba okutoje. Ngoma the kalala ku jam. Anto ku yele. Bibiala kama okuto sanction won. Kaba onzana no do biala kanu kom 5 minutes 10 minutes ka bule kana asichin kan yule kadwane either the last thing before ka bihe ai kunyule kadwane
anyika
oh they bandora tire ma
ataya ma
bi kwam no biala zampai lala purucha mini ataya la yarma so kama banan purucha tamal shango bere pasala ban yarma zan para ba da kobadla
mint ma
kobadla mint ka
okay ataya ko ale purucha ma mint ma
de malala
to chan pokolo assalamu alaikum assalamu alaikum salam aba yusuf assalamu alaikum.
Hello?
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa rahmatullah.
To pa man bolti na ma. Te cha to ma bal shere.
Ndon bo mi kama albasa ne jiyo. Kama an war ta pane kama wala. De kama daksa wula kan dem pilsabu.
O albasa bo.
Albasa.
Okay, to pa actually, I'm the lapse calling Shelza. And I porty after morting for one caller, the time Marco Palma, the back call Batijima. Misabi, Albasa.
Albasa, I was letting 35 to 40 days.
Okay.
Before Kato Siblisa. Timino Rishama.
So, Golden
Dabanu, I'll be
Golden Biapia. Okay.
I was Albasa. It is a pen. Kango mao. Kango. The net to Kusangoma. I have open. Kama Kotom Sky and woman. I could ye pen open. Kawan Woli. It took Sangoma. Side Sala, Summer.
The Wallaby to
one. The barrel.
Oh, Barlow cow.
Barrel ma. It took Pango. Sala, Summer. 30 days. Or 35 days be 45 days. 40 days. Zaha, the tuning assignment.
Very good.
So, the mean yala Shankam, Anto digging number, Kamna, and Sally, Kamina Shini.
Very good. Salam alaikum.
Alaikum.
Be programa. Anula.
Na.
To mumda amal pa ho be ba ho.
Mala ba wana ba.
To mumda ba ma.
Concern about Burma, last Garba.
De le bon apeti di lu be boss le gatia. Denka ya arbos te gata tibang ambu ya shelma. Oh, okay. Okay, nja o la katla ma so mama. Di sama me ko pamma. Okay, so la madam san. Madam. In fact, I want you to just wrap up on the importance of the organic. Then after that, you share your number. Some people call and they were interested in getting your number if they want to reach out. Just wrap up with us and overall summary of the importance of the organic vegetables. Okay, and what we have done today.
Okay. The organic vegetables is very important for our health.
Okay.
Like even ordinary okra, if it is organic, when you take it, that one can even reduce your BP or blood pressure for you. But how to come about the organic is the problem. Because of money, people put fertilizer, so many things, so that the vegetable will do fast for them to harvest and get and sell and get their money.
Okay.
But with the organic, if you put the fertilizer, it will take 2 months to do. But organic will take about 4 months. So the organic take long time to do.
Okay.
But the fertilizer, when they put fertilizer chemicals, it will do fast. Within some 1 month, 2 months, the thing is ready for you to harvest.
Okay.
But if it is organic, it will take, because it's taking nutrients from the soil and these animal droppings. That one take longer time to do. So if you are fighting any disease and you want to fight it the organic way, you want to go local, the best is to go for organic vegetables. It cures so many things, and most of the drugs will go in. Some of them have side effects.
Okay.
But if they advise you to base on organic product vegetables, try and locate somebody who is actually producing organic, and at the end of the day, you get the results. They will help benefit. Yes.
But your number,
My number 054 539 7621.
So don't go balma the paya from let me just do it in the banner for what himself. Ale te madame no kwalvati jimasham. Well ni ale on yer tin difila shez on yer organic vegetables la. Ni ale le ni ko mala fa na pam. Nchaw yu dene. Ole bom no bostu kan wala. Na ale den no kwashama den ko bo bor yoma. De kaka anyum mbona ko jerjere. Chira ta kapon yiri cabbage be kapon yiri ale futarda ne kala la nyare. Dinin ya ala fi banjirguma na nuna sha pa soro an tu zan cira nahi be cira tala sabon kwale amma din ya kaman banku kwar karshe ne in kwar kyar da na banguna o ku bolo ne zan chan cira yi susune o pile vonson mawo no yi zan ke da na kapta da kulan kapta lawo male so na le organic ma ne mi nyala be shao chemicals mbala fertilizer ma kar kyartan ban ka kyar ban jirgu mani so na ne ka nyumun bori maybe da la fi ndi bisa ta carbonate ma anto zan organic bi yarma pamben dir shabe ko ban jira kunyele la organic bi yarma ka yan jira ka da la sa da la fi ta na ka abibe yanga ne dum mala fa na pam kan wondu fu yel shan da busha ka kana mo bayin ban ti chekre bo shi cholesterol mino da la fi ni bo nyare on entaya on ka irin joshua don ko bien ka la soutinya ka cholesterol min pa jidule no on ba mila bin yara ka kunya ka mo ko pa puni on kwarlo garchwa pun kantir no yin zanan ka bandira so de ba ku chana shifti bu siri da shabe cha shifti da share don ko kolba ka bulo number tete shawra bo hawo number antu bol 054 53 97 621 madam number bala anto bonju ko to diu da fa na pam yalla organic beta potassium 054 53 97 621 ami ko Rahma TV na tento banti ni sami na bamata to Mr. Amid agressive numa in fact je crois Madrid da fana pa mbona to organic topic shati discuss on maka kolbati de ka share namba maka batu yen thank you
men ko yan don ka to kun ton ngursma
okay
organic ma ai chancel mintin sun mamala organic ma ayan ko bin shaka timatima kadane an ko shaka timatima bin ai yuri de l'arma ba de la pen ta den nan an zan shel ko ka timatima shilma de larian dum gare wannan ma so de mala nirbu non za on par ni manu polo ti sashel to bela yi to bela
okay
tamal dani be jacob dani ti amala la organic ma jambian mi kachi conventional system ai za fertilizer ko shele adba biane so nyinya pi an bor shele da sahma ma so kam daro la fi ma to da fa kama fara la nya ai mala kada ngoma biala ai ka da ngoma ama de kutume ai ko endi ka gadi ko male ama da zama kunyam ya ama ko mal ma garcha dun non ka ko ban ayan ne shan mpe garche ne kwato man to se de yi ka tin nga jarne kwa ngoma wa de ben tin dabsu ngoma biya ta antana abun mar sa na amma abran chana ti da so do ko yara ngoma organic be ba organic abo bohmo wi ya organic abari ko la yi tin sa shan ngo NGOs biya ne kabuto yirna Mumbo garden
sac farming to ko c'est là sur le traduire fil
kabe parti amfani shelkan ku jin kama ya so come to know oyema ko malen garche to ku tum agwa man garche ala ku nya tuntum da biya ku ne ya ka gwa pedin ne tum yala
kawai yani
to kalan nyala ayla apa anto ku ngba dapsi no ku yirmo ma be no ku yiyawo mantia kana ya pa pia ngarche yiha cabbage
wa
chan antano mamada
darla organic te pa ambora number
054 69 13 594
054 69 13 594 Mr. Amidou Abdurrahman from Agri-Seed au number ko bolma nta les on d'abson on ba oban tapson te pam to donc ko yela sa ma di lan kanet zone d'abson te pa ya pam ñu kam dol programme ba tempili bam bob ti rahmati bi zone ka dol te programme ma daklu kam za to po ya pam ka pa bam be yin ka bar la ngir pam yat na bar la pam te pa ya pam donc ko yela i tapson TV station ma di borta bopam ti namba na ma ko pa ma mo namba na ma amal she kam kaman bon kutu ku yersham sa kamza tab song ma cheka program no ma sha ati yerna kaptu to borne ni sim terte ngendo ko ko be fama to ni ako tab song tinam bo ma da fana no ko yimke ngurte da dini ni shal za ha afan bala to pilo no zan kapo invited guest ma pilo no zan kapo madame Esther nyala mi son kware nyon su grandma organic farm o garchama be palsi ndongo shiha a chan garchama nda ora trebala ora nda kala yulma ba bandir balbal le ka deto wumba kan yina da ya garchama ko nda zahra ya ba fa ko mi sa abi do shama abantu ku mal polble ay dum done bi agu nyanga anto ku zale ko bandira balbo akubara ka pen dapsi zakat na a je drone de so a ku changda ka mi ni na shari ka dan kuna kiti dira ko ku ya sham zanya da malan fa na pam lan zan ka fu misa Abdurrahman Amidou nta Abdurrahman Amidou yela bu son wet mun ban lehre nta agressive bala ban son la ko ba njala bumbra bambur shara ko jejer ko be fa den ka buna demi to ko di shelo organic zoma de zaha ta de ko pati lo pambere ya osan madame agressive san ko dale o humbulo na batiti abona bandu ba de d'enfants ni complément to ana pour gerger comme d'enfants comme ça de osan go to wa de zaha ka to ba that will do that fana pa this is pam thank you so much for spending time level kana madam I'm so grateful for you passing by to support our program to nella zappiamo kaputo college bon kolena ibanye check up program ma richan be gatate maka because isha call parte category da fana pa nella zam kapui production team ma ban tablo son de TV ma at the background check out the program ma to kan na katelele puis on zaka ko tumesi tu ma po ban le sawa to te pour goza bamba yirna ba tablo son ta pa to kato mi kaptula nella na kapui Mr. Sadiq Mr. Sadiq ni dem son tablo son yela MCR tumani o Mr. Kamal MCR badan to le karakan na pa to nella zan kapu Mr. Sharif una camera ni yetwa ona retwa o wa tablo son de ka te show ir mi yara maka to nyar ka band la tenzan joka puti MD yara to mani da nyami sa bacha direct the programs Rama TV zone on tablo son de ka te soro te adwa terwa pam na on tambanyu gol ka TV station maka de bien ka te da fani ne plan zan ka puti CEO yara Mr. Hassan na cheka TV ma la raparo sa haka na da ku o bomma na chara na fara to ka ko sura sa haka na ta tapson TV station ma ka da na fara ka ta di ka de bo ni simdan ti da di ni ti general prince yalla ta kuno na program champion wazaha ka ta so na biya ba ta pa pam an cha ban zale Rama TV ma to mo wala ma bere ku tapson ka TV ma to no nya belpa mani biya yanga Dr. Bisu Adam mana zampi ka ta program mana na yin pata ba ko irin kanna dan na zampi ngo ta ti pu parla luluci program Rama TV zone kurgani atan kamza ha mbaya pam assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh